The custom buttons on your Genesis allow you to access a favorite feature or function at the press of a button. There are 2 custom buttons on your Genesis. One is on the steering wheel, the other is beneath the climate control system. Each button can be configured to perform different functions, or in some cases, the same function. To configure them, select Setup. Then Button Touchpad. Then select the custom button on the screen to set the function for that button, or simply press and hold either of the custom buttons. On the touchscreen, you can choose from a number of different functions, or you can choose to have the button do nothing at all. Once you've set the first custom button, select the next one to set its function. Once you've made your selection, the button will perform the desired process each time you press it. And you can always go back to change the function if you desire. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.